By the way, naangalia Insta stories za Bobby Jr. Previously East Miss West. Alafu tuende Twitter. Oh bro, they were moving VIP. Wow, they were moving VIP-ish. Niggas, what wanna move na tour bus? Wow. Next. Bro, sijui hata kama kuna drink kwa hiyo. Bro, kuna drink kwa hii chupa. Check hapa. like umeona mse ameinua chupa ni kama unaona really haina weight, but they gotta look like they're sipping. Okay, soft life. So at least now we can get like a glimpse, like a first, like a POV from someone mtu kwa grao. Hey, the whole of Nairobi is here. Damn. Ni wengi. So I think nimeona Twitter watu wakisema it was quite crowded. Nini tutaenda huko tuone sahi. Toxic.
Navuka bumps na speed ndo nisikie sauti ya manyororo. Nyonyo na nituliza na sauti nyororo. Vula ina
Actually hapo ina sound poa. Acha nione Toxic, since Toxic anapenda kupost. Acha tuone. You gotta have something on this. Backbencher. Yo, this video is brought to you by Alex Msafiri, who said Civilized album. Okay, akona project ya 2025 comprising of 12 songs. So I'll actually have these linked down below hapo kwa description box. You can check it out on YouTube. Na kama wewe ni mse wa kina Spotify pia utaipata hapo. Actually nilipenda ngoma ya kwanza yenye inaanzia hapa. Let me just play it, enye akona Master VK. Na bado naona akona Toxic kwa hiyo album. So I think it's machizi ni wengi madhare lakini wow, na bado pia akona Skade kwa hiyo album. Okay, good. Johnny Bangi ndo mingi lakini sikia Stevie. Machizi ni wengi madhare lakini kunje ndo kuna the madness. Kwa kichwa ni bangi ndo mingi lakini akili natumia regardless. Wasupa na kwaga na wengi mapenzi ndo ngumu kijana ni heartless. Fala kidozi zapa ni situ korada tutambui mattress. I wonder kwa nini kudishi kwa 5 star kitumia mikono ni blanda. Kwa hizo hoteli wanetagwa chef kaparo ni mwenye kibanda. Kwa nini ukiingia kwa Uber kadere ndo bado makanga. Kama gira stage yendo anajaza gagari kuliko makanga. Hustle. Anyway, I won't play it for long, staki kuwa spoilia. And he actually also has a music video dropping on 1st October. So kama unawachi video leo, I think hii video inatokea just tomorrow. And again, don't forget, if you want to get your music heard by real hip hop fans, there is a link up or down below and unajaza a small form. And I keep insisting, 10, 20, 30, 40 new audience listeners. Hao ni watu wengi sana. It's people who spark organic growth in your music. Anyway, tuendelee na vida.
Nafurahia tuko hapa wote. Hata kuna wenye walikuja mkuu akitembea kwa huku. Kama ndio.
Okay. Kitembea kwa huku. Okay. Who iko na live instruments? Okay, na sound kuslap. Teacher, mimi napenda ukinibembeleza. Actually, mbona performance ya Toxic inakaa fire as fuck? Okay. Yeah. Man. Wait, was Calligraph on blankets? Juvenye nimepitia kwa IG ya Calligraph, nimeona alikuwa Diani. Nimeona Nkali kwa Diani. I don't think Calligraph was curtain raising or she was performing, yeah? Whoa, bro, look at that crowd. Acha ni pull up. Wow, man, haoni watu wengi. That's many people, bro. 4,500 nikimultiply, bro. This has to be like at least 2,500 people. What? This has to be at least 2,500 people. Nikiwa charge at 4,500. Kuna 11 million kwa on the line. Bado hatujahesabu vendors ndio tunawacharge, and this is me approximating this is 2,500 people because it looks like 2,500 people. It looks like beyond 2k people, you can tell. Wow, that's 11M cash up front. Hata nikitoa expenses, bro, mtu anakafunga what? Hata nikilipa wase. Kwanza neje sijahesabu pesa ya Tems. Na Tems wezi mleta na pesa kidogo. What the fuck? Okay, acha tuone venye performance yake ilianza. The graphics, bro. Kama tuko Miami. Yo 1 to 5. They took up for 5. Wow.
Venye na review angle ni side.
Okay. Na ni crazy, honestly, when I think about it, ni crazy. Inamaanisha Spotlight hauna your time kila time, because I would imagine like Maina Stana would have been a very good personality for such a concert. Madem wako huko already. Ninge imagine Maina would have been a good.
I want someone to touch this little dingly thing that is.
And I imagine Lil Maina would have been a very perfect candidate for this, which inaenda kukushow Spotlight ikikutoka inaenda kwa mse mwingine next, like it's being passed on like a relay. Wacha tuende Twitter mali. Some people are saying, man, they didn't have the best experience or blah blah. Wacha tuone. So wacha tuone sisi wenye tulikuwa home. Unajua watu wako home wanapenda kusikia tu vitu ati hazikuwa poa ndio wasikie atuku manze kumbe hata do yetu atuku waste. Sasa hizo kumbe ni coping, labda tuna cope na reality. Hatunge afford. Mimi singefika bei. Amnilipi ya kutosha nifike bei. Amnilipi ya kutosha nifike bei. Kwani ni uongo? Amnilipi poa nifike bei nifike show kama hiyo, lakini
Disco free kunwani do alibad na rauka fo. Jua madawa na tembea slow. Costume mabanga na draw. Bono na hit na dobo mekram. MPP na day confirm na day shorobo kwa drum.
Honestly venye siko free pia.
Disco free kunwani do alibad na rauka fo. Jua madawa na tembea slow. Costume mabanga na draw. Bono na hit na dobo mekram. MPP na day confirm na day shorobo kwa drum.
Okay, so right off rip tukiingia Twitter, this is what my timeline is looking, and then I'll go into DMs na zenye nime save. Blankets, girlies, y'all still susud in the bushes. Of course, mnakunya pombe at a high rate. Lazima hizo beer ziteremke. But there's always toilets actually. Someone says, when Tems finished performing, there was a baby in front of me who said, kumbe blankets ni kama too funky. Kuna msemesema watu wa Tems tumeamka fresh as fuck. No hangi. It was easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than to get alcohol. Apparently kulikuwa na shida na vendors. Okay, so there's someone, let's tuone blankets in a nutshell, and then I open some other links related. Blankets in a nutshell, Kenyan women are beautiful. That's guaranteed. There has honestly hata bro, sisi Kenyans, okay ni Kenyans, but ni Kenyans ni beautiful ni juu wako Nairobi ndio iko na infinite baddies, like wote wamekusanyika hapa. Ukienda huko kwingine lazima labda itakuwa like 1 out of 10,000 or 1 out of ndio utapata ratio, but in Nairobi that's I think guys mimi si mjudge mniambie vitu sijui. Okay, I just think that in Nairobi like per square meter like kuna baddies out of at least 5 girls, wawili moja kwa smart, mwingine kwa at least, mwingine like mwenye you can crash. Internet service was shit, calls weren't going through. It took 40 days and 40 nights to get drinks. Oh bro. Unajua ni kama kukua na gari na una mafuta, like the last thing you want usikose kukua nayo time uko place kama hiyo ni madawa. Watu wa kupurura ni venye pia uwezi purura hiyo base, but man, drinks they have to get wasted. Sound at the main stage was terrible. Why was there a Delamere ad playing in between sets? Now the same girl, ama nani anaitwa user Miss Boss Lady Mishaveve anasema it was easier to find gold than to buy watered blankets. What? Okay. Zaitun Chimano, Tems and Joshua Baraka killed it despite the sound. Toxic was a pleasant surprise. Kenyan women are beautiful. Hiyo ni ukweli. Acha tusikie crowd on that Tems Park.
First time ever for you guys, and I love it so much. I want to move here. I want to stay here.
Tems, you tell every country that I want to move here, I want to stay here. Hey bro, it's the way side niggas do this shit to every girl they are with.
First time ever for you guys, and I love it so much. I want to move here. I want to stay here. I might find a boo here. You guys ready to vibe with me tonight?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay. Bro, hii crowd hata nataka kusema hiyo 2500 yangu ilikuwa nje. Inakaa 4K ish. Wow, bro, those are many people. What? Yeah, bro, those are many people. What? Wacha nirudi kwa hiyo kalki yangu. Nimeona nilikuwa nje. Wow, 25 wow, wanakaa 4K people. 4K na 4500. 4000 times 4500. Acha nione. Bra, sijui kama umeona hiyo hesabu. What? Wanakaa 4000 people. Nimeona hata what? Honestly, inaka like a fire. Acha nione zingine zile information nimekusanya. Okay, let me go through the subtweets. Acha ni go through the subtweets sasa. Someone retaliation anasema toxic is not a performance. Kenya mimi nimeona ya backbencher, nimeona nikaa ilikuwa inakaa fiti. A teammate has one banger and the other thought it was gonna be late. Hadi wasi walikuwa home kama mimi. Hadi wanataka kudandia vitu kama hizo. Wacha sisi tukuje very impartially if we can. Someone give us a thread. Okay, kuna mtu ametupea full thread. Nataka tuone okay, sawa, acha tuanze hapa. Kuna mtu amesema they shared a thread of the experience with the system of pre-ordering drinks and how entirely devoid of logic it is. Okay, so she says, or he says, still Genja anasema after spending 1 hour seated in traffic, they finally get into the venue at 5 p.m. Check-in process was quite seamless, but that's about the only good thing I can say about the event. After entering the venue, one would assume there would be a map with an overview of how the setup looks, or at least adequate signage to direct people to the hotspots like how Kilifi, NYE or Oktoberfest does. Actually, yeah, ningebank on venye Oktoberfest tukua meipanga vizuri, okay? So upon reaching the Onja stage, we see the queue to the bar there. My friends and I queue up together so that we can get our drinks fast to start the evening, because they didn't pre-game or carry any booze or carry any booze. Bro, hiyo ilikuwa oversight. Usiwahi kosa ku pre-game. Unaenda kuingia club, unaenda kuingia event, please hata chukueni hiyo tu kuota, mkunye tu shots kama 3 at least ukiingia utakuwa hakunanga kitu ufala kama unaingia kwa event unaanza kutafuta hiyo high. Honestly hakuna kitu ufala kama kuingia kwa event ama club alafu uanze sasa kutafuta hiyo high. You'd rather get in uko ready like mid buzz. Ile bia unachukua ama ile drink unachukua sasa tu ni ya kukatalize whatever is going on. These guys didn't pre-game or carry any booze. Oh, mistake. So they noticed the queue wasn't moving. They split, looked for another bus. The others held the place in the queue. We find a bar a bit far from the first one, but still within the Onja side with a much shorter line. I take my spot and after like 15 minutes, I'm next. Hawa ni watu walikuwa wame pre-order drinks. I think that's where this is headed. I show the bartender my order confirmation. He says that this isn't the place to collect drinks. I go back to the other bar, ask him which bar. He directs me to the side of the Onja stage where I just came from. So I go back and join my people. So he or she proceeds to stand in line. Actually nataka kusema ni she. Ni a girl who can take time kutuandikia kitu systemic hivi. She proceeds to stand in line for close to 2 hours, even watching the fucking sunset, having not moved anywhere else or to see the setup. Fast forward hadi 7:19. Umse alifika saa ngapi? Nakumbuka alikuwa 1 hour late. Alikuwa 1 hour kwa traffic. So 7:19, that's their turn to be served. So inamaanisha kuna shida ya kuget drink. Wow, that's huge. I show them the message only for the bartender to inform me that isn't where the pre-orders were collected. Fuck. And I go to a different bar. Remember when I said there was no signage? Yeah, that bar didn't even have a sign saying cash bar only. So I ask for the manager and he comes and walks me to a different bar where they stand behind the bar as he's on his earpiece asking through the intercom what the process is for collecting pre-orders. They stand there for another 30 to 45 minutes. Oh bro, honestly, my girl ulikuwa fucked by the time. Unajuanga swara zianza mapema. Si mnajuanga hizo swara zianza mapema. Hiyo story ya ku-pre-order na ka story mingi. Msee mwingine anasema sounded bad. Sound was bad. Too overcrowded. Junile mewambia si akai 22500. Naona kuna mse anasema hiyo stuff ilikuwa kama funky, ni kama venye mko shule kama 6 plus 1. That blankets was mid at best and below mid for a fair comment. Vending was terrible, I can see how. Joshua Baraka was arguably the best performer. Chimano did well. Tems was just Toxic still has some work to do. Hey, acha tuone. Kuna mse alikuwa na complain kuhusu ramps za the disabled, the physically disabled. So the guys people with wheelchairs didn't have like ramps. The disability friendly toilet was manned by only a man. Wow. Now walikuwa blankets walikuwa textiana that. Look at this text. We can confirm that the festival grounds are equipped with ramps at various entry points to provide smooth access for wheelchairs. Additionally, accessible washrooms for persons with disabilities will be available at the Soft Life area, Live Stage and Onja area. Mse mwingine amekuja, the pre-order for drinks was a complete shit show. Kwanza mse akisema shit show, bro, that was a shit show. Bro, shit show is a shit show. Sound was bad. What the fuck were those adverts? Blank is usually my hangout with my best friend and I honestly don't see us going for another one. And catering for people with disabilities isn't a favor. Nakumbuka kuna same person amesema the UK show ya blankets was seamless for them, which was sure, of which niliwaambia si tuliona like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, kina Njerai, kina Butros walikuwa kwa hiyo blankets ya UK. Okay? Someone said blankets and wine is a no. Cab guy was assaulted by security as he tried to explain to them that I was a wheelchair user and in the process got hit in the face. We were just trying to ask where we could park so I could get out. Kuna mse social experiment says main stage sound was terrible. I felt sorry for We Are Nobia because you can tell that they put their heart and soul into this, but they sound terrible. Wa sound ni what? Wa sound ni kama kuguza mrima. Soft Life experience low. Watu wa Soft Life ni wale watu walilipa 12k. Hey, my guy.
Uzumbondo tujua mwenyewe. Uzumbondo tujua mwenyewe.
Uzumbondo tujua mwenyewe.
Uzumbondo tujua mwenyewe.
Still I'm starting my business. Still I'm starting my business.
Uzumbondo tujua mwenyewe. Uzumbondo tujua mwenyewe.
Also watu wa Soft Life nao walilipa 12k. Wa akasema please wake up and throw more money into a dustbin. Alcohol vending, all bars were not stocked until about 4 p.m. I even assumed it was a Mututo thing. Chimano and Zaituna, brilliant performance. Food vendors outdid themselves. Tems was really good despite the terrible sound. Acha tuone. Man, Tems really put in work, bro. Actually, from this video here, nasikia venye uko hapo karibu main stage venye hiyo sound iko na hiyo some distortion kind of. Unless I'm wrong, guys. Hey, okay. Honestly, I think one thing ningetakata kwanza from man, the outfit is very good, simple, elegant, perfect. It's like ina give mtu wako na ina give tu mtu akipedeshe na najua Kenya anafanya, but wow, that outfit kali. Okay. Is that the African Beyonce? Sasa tutatafuta clips zingine, acha tusikie. But kuna msema amesema that sound is so work. Si ya phone. Hiyo venye phone imechukua ni venye iko hapo. Hiyo sound uskip unless inaka ile yenye ilikuwa ina work better if you are a bit farther from the stage. Tems nimesearch Tems, acha tuone. You can see someone even did a poster. Event suffered from very poor planning and organization. crowd size was overwhelming. Honestly, say at ni wengi, nimeona inakaa wengi sana. I think shida si mambo na crowd size, I think ni ratio ya crowd size to the event space. Crowd tunaweza kuwa wengi, but kama I think kama umekwanga Oktoberfest kama Tems imekwanga Ngong Race cause especially me when I went in 2023, kuna stage, ukisikia stage 1 iko hapa, stage 2 iko hapa, like you are walking literally like 10-15 minutes, meaning that hata kama tuko wengi, yani hatuwezi kuwa place moja sisi wote. So umse anasema crowd size ilikuwa inafanya kuwa stressful and anxiety inducing. Accessing basic necessities like drinks and water was extremely difficult, with guests forced to queue for hours only for supplies to eventually run out. Security team and professional shouting and insulting attendees as they were leaving. Nightmare transportation taking over 2 hours both to access the venue and to leave afterwards. Complete lack of parking management and control. Exit process was chaotic. While Tems delivered a spectacular performance, she was unfortunately let down by poor sound quality. Onja stage was the only good thing about blankets and wines. Bro, wow, bro. Hii kamera imepan kutoka hapa. Bro, guys, just follow me. From east, let me be professional. From east, okay? Northeast, bro. I can't ukitriangulate hii area, bro. Ani watu wengi. Tuko northeast. Assuming where this light at is north. The spotlight. Northwest, bruh. What? What's in Nairobi mko na do? Ninyi wow, mistake kukaa na watu tena wanasema na kuna pesa. What? Naangalia ratio, mimi naona tu madem, mimi naona madem. Naona Mwakenya alisema where the bees are, the D's will follow. Okay? That's anasema please. That's why Mwakenya na I'm referring to Mwafrika alikuwa anasema shida events za mtu kama calligraph, ama tukisema tunaenda event ya msee wa kurap. Okay, tuseme ni niggas on a buy cause mademo watakuwa like, oh, there will be so many niggas over there, sasa wacha tuende pia sisi. No. It works like this. Mali mademo wako, the niggas will follow. Niggas are hunters. Where women will buy the tickets, niggas will follow. Okay, crowd energy nakaa iko serious. Crowd energy, acha tunitaje pia kuangalia performance ya Chimano. Okay, mtu anasema Chimano makes music that has more potential to blow outside Kenya and make him a global star more than any other Sauti Sol. Though pia nasikia any of the Sauti Sol members wakiperform individually, like 3/4 of what they perform is Sauti Sol based catalog. Okay.
Shoes are my guilty pleasure. I'm a size 9 and you don't want measure. You can never walk a mile and I do it every time. When I step in the club, they could test. Jimmy shoes. So many and I don't want shoes. I dress to impress on you. I'm the only me. Give you satisfaction guarantee. Gotta stay fresh if you roll with me.
Not mkono opinions. Ati hiyo performance negative Joe is trying too hard. Seems like yes, he's different, he wants to do things different, but ajijui bado. Watu wako na opinion, bro. It's usually people who are comfortable, people in their comfort zones, trying to pull someone else down. Hivi ndivyo naona Chimano aliingia. Msipesa batu hizi clips. Bro, msipesa batu hizi clips. Hizi specifically za Chimano. Msipesa batu hizi clips. Don't let Sabato see these clips bana. Adi Chimano nataka afanye hizi vitu na bado Bien ashikilie simu yake.
Hey, Chibu.
This is what I'm saying. Sauti Sol warudiane tu, cause anytime one of them is picked to perform in a show, 75% of the songs in Sauti Sol. That makes sense. What is Chimano stepping up on stage with a Sauti Sol song? Like, bro, what are your songs? Acha tuone ya Baraka tufunge. Joshua Baraka, acha tuone zake. Na nasikia ati aliperform after Tems. Oh, okay. Now I'm you just need like 2-3-5 seconds to know kama mrapa ko on, kama msanii ko on, if you're gonna fuck with a piece of music. Kuna venye nimesikia hiyo vocal. Okay.
Maybe God will, but I might not forgive myself for him to see me now. So many people that I gotta be gone. No one says a plus like Godfather. Shout out to my girl, always got my back. Everybody that believes in me, I love you to the moon and back. A lot of times I don't know what I'm doing, God. You just running the dark. Just leave me alone, no resistance line.
Wow, acha tuone. Ni alileta pia sinaona alileta Bien. So Bien inamaanisha Bien na Chimano are in the same radius at some point.
I'm ready to hop on the vibe and rock. Unanizungusha kama chopa. Unaitingisha proper. My life is original doctor. Showstopper. Oh na na baby, you know I wanna love you, baby. You are my one and only. I'm gonna love you till I get no more. Oh na na baby.
Okay, kuna mse bedhi anasema they had to wait 1 hour after Tems for Joshua Baraka with no explanation, no fillers, just hope. I think in the time walikuwa nacheza Spotify playlist.
So you're just too still, no flake in the summer cut lines and you're feeling diary. Baby, I'm not judging you. You know I'm not judging my baby boo.
Okay. Anasema production had several hitilafus. Even Tems sound went off at some point. Okay.
My heart. Yeah, you broke my heart. Alright, Jeremy, let's try you. Let's try you out. Okay. Basically,
I might not be.
Oh, I've seen Tems doing something like this with like fans in the crowd in her shows. Like anaenda kwa chali fulani tu anaimba akimpasia mic. So it seems she gave someone a good time.
I might be close to you.
Wow, okay. Wow. Yeah. Bro, hii ni familia ya Tems. Amekuwa nimeona hizi clips before kwa performance zake.
Tomboy.
don't tell me this is the place where the sound went off for some seconds. Walai, ni hibis. Ama. That he just feel like natural or intentional, I think. No, I think it won't be gracious if I left kina Zaytun. We are newbie. Acha tuone ni aje wali perform. Okay, acha tuone kwa IG yao. Nimeona Twitter nazunguka sana. Oh, okay, makes sense kama wali perform very very early on. Kuna mtu alikuwa anasema wange perform jioni, mawingi zikitokea unaona wanasema dalili. Wao wako na stories mingi. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, ndio hiyo. Hiyo story yako. Yati hiyo story yako leo.
Nyorosha shingo lamba lips zako tirembweni kauko soko. Usiwe mpole, inua kidole. Ukiwa mgonjwa hapa lazima upone. Usikonde.
Okay, next.
Cleaner kwa members, backbencher, ndani ya S-class.
Okay. So even ndivyo walikuwa nafika kwa event, okay.
Bencher and
kweli mkulima hawezi chagua tembe. Mvinyo, tulete mvinyo. Leta kwenye na nyama kilo. Pole bila mbio. Sherekea bila kilio.
Okay.
Hadi kwa jeneza, na mimi nikipenda, nimependa, nampatia mapenzi ya sinema. Niko na uhuru ndani ya gereza, tupendane hadi kwa jeneza.
Okay. Hey. Okay. Mimi napenda kuona msanii akiputi in effort. Napenda kuona nikiona msanii ameputi in effort. And you can always expect to only see this kind of effort from lady artists. Rappers awananga imagetha. Rappers wanatakanga the easiest way out. Yeah. Okay. Now that's how you perform. Now that's how you perform in front of a crowd and leave a lasting impression. Like finish him, bro. Anyway, that's it. Nobody doing it like I do it. I hope you enjoy your video. Honestly, what? Honestly, mimi ni ule msee.